Do you know what workers' compensation insurance is? Ever wondered why it's so crucial in the workplace? Today we're diving deep into this essential aspect of employment, breaking down everything you need to know about workers' compensation insurance. First off, let's understand its purpose. Workers' compensation insurance is a unique form of protection designed to benefit both employees and employers. It serves as a financial safety net for employees, covering medical expenses and lost wages in the event of work-related injuries or illnesses. Simultaneously, it shields employers from potential lawsuits that could otherwise arise from workplace accidents. Moving on, it's important to note that workers' compensation laws are regulated at the state level. This means that while most states require employers to carry this insurance, the specific rules and coverage can vary from one state to another. So, what exactly does workers' compensation insurance cover? Typically, it takes care of medical expenses, rehabilitation costs, and a chunk of the employee's lost wages due to a work-related injury or illness. In certain cases, it may also provide benefits for permanent disability or even death. Now, you might be wondering, whose responsibility is it to provide this coverage? The answer is employers. They are generally required to provide workers' compensation coverage for their employees. Failure to do so could result in fines, penalties, or even legal action. However, it's worth noting that there are exemptions. Some small businesses or specific types of workers may be exempt from mandatory workers' compensation insurance requirements. But remember, these exemptions vary by state. In the event of a work-related injury or illness, the affected employee must file a workers' compensation claim with their employer. This claim is then submitted to the insurance carrier for evaluation and processing. One of the unique aspects of workers' compensation insurance is that it operates on a no-fault system. This means that employees generally don't need to prove that their employer was negligent to receive benefits. But, of course, there are limitations to the types of injuries or illnesses that are covered. Employers pay premiums for workers' compensation insurance. These premiums are calculated based on several factors, including the type of industry, the size of the workforce, and the company's safety record. The premiums are often calculated per $100 of payroll. In terms of providing workers' compensation coverage, some states have state-operated funds, while others rely on private insurance carriers. In certain states, employers may have the option to choose between the state fund and private insurance. Lastly, it's crucial to know that employees have rights when it comes to workers' compensation benefits. They can receive these benefits without fear of retaliation from their employer. If disputes arise, mechanisms such as appeals processes and workers' compensation boards are in place to address them. So, there you have it. A comprehensive look at workers' compensation insurance. It's a vital part of employment, aiming to protect employees and employers alike. From understanding its purpose to knowing your rights, being informed about workers' compensation insurance is essential for a safe and secure work environment.